Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to change the language on X, formerly known as Twitter. Whether you're looking to personalize your app experience or switch to a language you're more comfortable with, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your device. Once you're on the home screen, locate your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen and tap on it. This will open a new menu. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings and Support. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This will bring you to a page with various options. Now, look for the section labeled Accessibility, Display, and Languages, and tap on it. Within this section, select Languages. Once you're in the Languages menu, tap on Preferred Languages. Here, you'll see your current language settings. To change it, tap Update Language. You'll now be presented with a list of available languages. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the language you want. Once you've selected your desired language, tap Next. The app will take a moment to update your settings. After that, your chosen language will be applied across the app interface, and that's it. You've successfully updated your language settings on X. By following these steps, you can enjoy a more personalized experience tailored to your preferences. If this guide was helpful, be sure to share it with others who might need assistance. Thank you for watching.